Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video in Google Docs. First, open Google Drive and upload your video. Click on New, select File, Upload and choose your video. Once the upload is complete, refresh Google Drive and you should see the video in the Recent section. Now right-click on the video, hover over Share and click Share. Change the access setting from restricted to anyone with the link. Then copy the link. Next, go back to your Google Docs document and paste the link. This link is only for reference. Once the link is pasted, highlight the entire link and click Insert Link. Now people can click on the link and watch the video. After that, open the video on your computer. I will open my video as an example. Once the video is open, take a screenshot of the video window. To do this, go to the search tool and search for Snapping Tooth. Click New and take a screenshot of the video window. The screenshot will be copied to your clipboard automatically. Now go back to Google Docs and paste the screenshot. Next, return to the link you copied earlier. Highlight it and click Cut. Then click on the screenshot, right click, select Insert Link, paste the link and click Apply. Now the video screenshot will link directly to the video. You can share your document and when others open it, they will see the image. If you add a note like click on the image below to watch the video, they can click on it and go straight to the MP4 video to watch it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.